doing that at J-Tech, and today we're going to be inspecting our brake rotors and brake pads. Brake pads. I'm going to take you through the steps and show you how to remove our brake pads and our pins and brackets holding our pads in place on the rotor. So let's get started. First, we'll remove this cotter pin here, slides right out, and then next we're going to work on this pin here. Pops right out. Don't lose our washer. Bracket comes out. Little slot there. Hold on to these. Don't lose our cotter pin either. Alright, then next we're going to move to taking out our brake pads. We're going to loosen up our caliper. We loosen up the internal slack adjuster in there. Take our pads out. That's the back side. Here's the side that's creating friction against our rotor, brake rotor. Here we can see some flaking and chipping on the outside of the rotor here. Here we got some that's basically corroded away, and that's not very safe at all, non-standards at all. Move to the next one. Same deal at the top. It's flaking quite a bit right here too. Right here, you can see it's just missing friction material. Set these on the ground. Actually, next we're gonna measure the thickness of our brake pad. Here's a way we can do it with our micrometer here. Alright, about right there. So we have, it hasn't reached the 6 yet. It's at 577 of an inch. Thousandths of an inch, sorry. 577 thousandths of an inch. And that would be the thickness of one rotor. Our other rotor should be somewhat similar if our brakes are working properly. This one's a little over that one. It's almost at 6 thousandths of an inch. It's at 598 thousandths of an inch, and that would be both of our brake pads. Put those back in place for now. Well, that one. Now next we'll move to our rotor, measuring the thickness of our rotor, and also inspecting it. Here we got 1,700 or 1 inch, 7 thousandths, and 707 thousandths. 1 inch, 707 thousandths of an inch for the thickness of our rotor here. And we can also check for scoring, warping. Doesn't look like it's warping too much. We can spin it. We're not seeing much warping. I don't know what that was, but so yeah, that's how we would check we would inspect, take apart, and basically look for wearing parts on our rotor and brake pads.